Hello friends, welcome to Kiddie Bank.
Today we are going to see the story Unity is Strength. Once upon a time, a flock of doves flew in search of food. They found some scattered rice on the ground. All the doves landed down and began to eat the rice. They were very happy and enjoyed. A hunter was watching them standing behind a tree. He threw a net over the flock of doves. They were all trapped in the net. The doves fluttered their wings to fly but could not fly. An old dove had an idea. He advised all the doves to fly up together, carrying the net with them. So together they flew up, carrying the net with them. The hunter tried to follow them, but could not do anything, as the doves flew up high in the sky. After some time, they landed on a hill. There lived a mouse who could help them. The mouse was a faithful friend of the old dove. The old dove explained the mouse how they were trapped in a net. The mouse was ready to help them. He bit the net and made the doves free. The doves thanked the mouse and flew away happily. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel Kiddie Bank.